2020. I warmly welcome all the students to this cooking competition program.
ഇന്നത്തെ കുക്കിംഗ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷനിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്നത് കോൺടെസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 35 അദ്വിത ഹമേഷ്, ഫിന്നിഷ് അമേരിക്കൻ കിൻഡർഗാർട്ടൻ, ഫിൻലാൻഡ്.
Hi friends, I am Advita Hamesh and I am going to make the yummy marble cake. I am going to make the ingredients. 1 cup of flour, cup of powdered sugar, third of milk, third of pineapple juice, 1 spoon of baking powder, 1/3 of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, of butter, sugar, 1 teaspoon. We need to add vinegar in the warm milk and 1 large egg. First we need to shake the flour. It's like this. It is going to be hard. Now we for it. It's a red. It's more white. Is it done? If we do this. It's not coming. Back into 2 bowls. Then you beat the butter. It is noisy. Add little sugar in the butter. Little. Yes. More. Add the yolk and vanilla essence. Add the pineapple juice and milk into the bowl. Like this? Okay, the whole. Now this. Now let's add the milk. First you put it here, then you scoop it up, then you put it here. When you are saying that's enough, okay? Here. You put it here, then you scoop it up, then you put it here. When you are saying that's enough, okay? Here. It's not working. It's not going right. Now it's working. Wait. Beat the egg in. The egg white be adding a little sugar. Batter and put it in the other bowl. Take some milk and put it in here. Can I mix it?
No.
Put the white in here, then the brown in top of it. Let's start. Little bit of brown. This will make better. All of it. We just need to spread it. Nice, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Do you like it? Is it like that? See? This? We don't need to drop it in the floor. We just take a little bit, then put it in. Then you can do this. this time with a toothpick. I am going to do my favorite. Now bake this for 30 minutes.
We'll see you tomorrow with a new video. If you like this program, then like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ലൈക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്ന 3 വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കാണ് സമ്മാനം. ഓരോ ദിവസവും ഓരോ വീഡിയോ ആണ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ അവസാന തീയതി 2020 ജൂലൈ 25. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ലൈക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്ന വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ 2020 ജൂലൈ 26 പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നതാണ്.